Hi everybody, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. My name is Gina Pike. I am so happy that you're here today. We're going to be doing a giveaway. This is the first giveaway I'm having for cleaning out my yarn room. If you guys remember that video, yeah, it's a mess. And I decided that I wanted to share some of my yarn babies, some things that I love, but I have changed my mind about some projects that I was going to make. And I mean, I might make them in a few years, but quite honestly, I think it would just be nice to go ahead and find a new home for this yarn instead of storing it for a couple of years. So I'm cleaning out my yarn room some, and I decided to give some things away. So today, you guys had to enter on that video, and I have 4 things to give away today. And don't fret, there's going to be a giveaway number 2 video coming up later next week. Before we get into the giveaway, I do want to say one small thing about life in this channel. I want to thank you guys so much. For a lot of you are new here. You've joined me through Christmas and July Fairies. I'm so happy that you're here. I'm looking forward to getting to know you a lot better. And I hope that you'll stay with us after Christmas and July Fairies and, you know, talk with us about your fiber arts and let us get to know you. Now, the other thing I want to mention is a little bit of I'm so excited. I can't believe this actually happened. You guys know that I started my YouTube channel in July of last year, mid-July. Now, a lot of you guys did not know me until probably December. From July to December, I did not know that there was even live videos going on or chatting. I know. Sometimes I don't clue in to everything. It takes me a while. So, I really did not have a lot of people on my channel or a lot of traffic on my channel until December. But then I started chatting and started getting to know you guys, and then a lot of you guys came over and joined my channel. And so I counted since like mid-December to this week, early this week, I got the email that I finally reached the goal. I had the subscriber goal, and I had the watch hours to be monetized. And so I wanted to say thank you so much for helping me achieve that goal. Is like when the first 6 months, I only had like 100 watch hours, and I'm like, you know, at this rate, I'm not sure that I'm going to be one of those channels that will ever be monetized, but I was okay with that. And I was like, you know, this is about me sharing my knitting with people and connecting with people. So for you guys to rally behind me, to join my channel, to watch my videos a lot, because 4,000 watch hours is a lot of watch hours when you have 10-minute, 20-minute videos. It really means the world to me. So thank you so much. I could not make this video today without saying thank you. And I wanted to let you all know that I will be having some sort of party, and it will be in a live format. I will try to pick a time that I think where a lot of you guys can come. The only part of the party that I've already planned is when I started getting closer to maybe I will be monetized, I started buying some things for giveaways so we can have a big giveaway party. So I have a lot of things. Keep your eyes open for when that will happen. I'm not sure yet exactly when I will do it, but it is coming. And again, thank you guys so much for making something that I never would thought happen. You guys are awesome. And you're the reason why I do this. If I didn't have people watching my videos or commenting, interacting with me, I wouldn't do this. So that's another reason why I do giveaways, is a way to say thank you, because you guys, you know, make this fun for me and make it worthwhile. So thank you so much. Let's get into the giveaway. For this giveaway, I have 4 different items of offerings. We'll just go in the order that I presented them in the video. The first thing that's up is 2 skeins. I got everything so, excuse me, in the plastic. It's the Crosby, Mrs. Crosby Loves to Play lace weight yarn. These 2 skeins, beautiful together. We're gonna pick the first winner. Here's YouTube random comment picker. We have URL for the video. Get some of these ads off of there. Okay, so there we go. We filter duplicate users and we filter comments. The first one, we'll go ahead and just pick the Crosby yarn. And we will grab the YouTube comments. $375. Oops, sorry. It's getting kind of wonky there. Good luck to everybody. Thank you all to everybody who entered, and wish you the best of luck. And let's pick the winner. Let's close some of these ads. Okay, here we go. Pick the winner. Angie Donaldson. Hi. Congratulations, Angie. It says, thank you for sharing your yarns and items with us. I like all of them. Crosby, Fiesta, Celestial, and Turtle Pearl. I would appreciate anything from you. Again, thank you and stay safe. Angie, that is so nice. Thank you so much for your lovely comment. And let's just double check that I can see her subscriptions. Alright, that's looking good so far. Makes me happy when I click on channels and I can see icons, and there I am. Yay! Congratulations, Angie. You are the winner of the Crosby lace weight yarn. The second prize up for grabs is that there are these 3 skeins of Knit Picks Felicity yarn in the colorway Fiesta, and the word was Fiesta. So let's go and see who won these. Now I've got that all set up. So let's filter duplicate users. We'll go ahead and pick the winner for the Fiesta next. The Knit Picks Felicity yarn in Fiesta. And you guys had some great comments. I mean, you guys were very creative, like having a fiesta while sipping turtle pearl martinis. They were awesome. All right, the comments 309. Great. Okay, let's pick a winner of the Felicity Fiesta yarn. Good luck to everyone. Tina's Trendy Crochet. Awesome. Congratulations, Tina. And it says Crosby, Fiesta, Celestial, and Turtle Pearl. Alright, let's just double check this. Okay. There I am. Alright. Tina is the winner of the Knit Picks Felicity Fiesta yarn. I had a little bit of a tongue twister there. I was trying to figure out how to say it. Okay. Congratulations, Tina. The third prize up for grabs are these 2 skeins of Patton's Croy Socks yarn, and this is in the colorway Celestial. Let's go find out who wins these. It's time to pick the winner of the Patton's Croy Sock yarn in Celestial. Let's go back, and we've got the URL. We got this. For this one, we are using the word Celestial. Okay. Let's grab the YouTube comments. 318. Okay, here we go. Good luck to everyone. Oops, I need to probably be down a little bit long. Louise Traville. Congratulations, Louise. It says, I love the Crosby Fiesta Celestial or Turtle Pearl yarns. This is so generous of you. Well, thank you. Thank you very much for your lovely comment. Let's just check this. Oh, that's good. I like to see icons. Makes me very happy. There I am. So Louise, you are the winner of the Patton's Croix Celestial Sock Yarn. Congratulations. Louise is the third winner. The last item up for grabs is a set of sock yarns from Turtle Pearl. Love their yarns. This is self-striping turtle toes yarn, and it's in the colorway. What does it mean? It's a gray base with rainbow colors. It's up like this. There you go. It's time to pick the winner of the Turtle Pearl yarn. Grab the YouTube comments. Whoops, wonky camera. 330. Right, good luck to you guys. Ruthie's Crafting Corner. Oh, congratulations, Ruthie. Hi, sweet Gina. Fiesta Celestial Turtle Pearl. What a beautiful yarn. Thank you for this opportunity. Have a lovely weekend and good luck to all. So sweet. Thank you, Ruthie. There I am. I saw myself. Okay, there I am. All right. Well, Ruthie, you are the winner of the Turtle Pearl yarn. Oh, I'm so excited for each and every one of you guys. Now, if your name was picked for one of these yarn offerings, please be sure to email me at knitbymoonbeams@gmail.com. I will try to reach out to you as well so we can connect. I will need to get your shipping address. If you are outside of the U.S., if you could include a phone number for me so I can put that on the customs form, that would be perfect. So thank you so much. Congratulations to each and every one of my winners. And just so you know, this is the first of many. I promise. I already have giveaway number 2 filmed and in the queue to be released next week. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all have a lovely day and a lovely rest of your weekend. I hope you have a safe 4th of July for those of you in the United States. Have a great rest of your weekend. I will see you all very, very soon. Take care.